So yeah, when you start, there is no rule. You can go this way, as I did, or you can go this way. I think this is better. Next to the door, always put one whole plank. So this plank starts from here and ends here. I intentionally put. There's no rule to it. You can go this way, or you can go from here to there. So if you start from here, you must make sure that the planks, these two sides facing outwards. So the long sides outwards, and these ones always next to the wall. That's how you put your planks. So if you want to put it down like I did, then you can start only from two corners. You can start from that corner, or you can start from that corner. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot start from there or from there. Because if you would start from here, then you would go like this and connecting the planks like this, you have to go under it. It would be very, very difficult. And this is where they connect. So basically that corner, if you turn this around, exactly the same here. It's called locking mechanism. So both sides you can see at the very end and on the side as well. There's a little bit of lip to it, here and here, so they're not completely straight. So how it works is, the planks can grab into each other like this. If they were flat, if there were no small lip here at the end, then they would just slide. They would not be able to connect, they would just slide off from each other. So during installation, you cannot go like this, you have to lift them up. Just, I would say, about like 10 or 20 degrees. You lift it up a little bit, and then and just put the spacer there, push it to the wall. That's it. And the next plank, always connect first this side and then this side. You cannot connect first this side, always. This is first. So, same principle. I put it on top of it. You can see there's a gap. Lift it up and push it in. So push it in that there's only just a little bit of gap on the side, and now I put it, now that there's no gap between the end, as you can see, but there's gap only on the side, I put it down. You can see the gap. Make sure that this is not higher than this, they are on level. So I push it a bit down, and this one you will not be able to push it in because there's resistance, it's connected here. So, but because there's no plank here, you can push it in easily. So I lift it up, I push it in easy. You can see it's connected. Let's say I'm not gonna fall. You can see here is connected, and the gap increases as you go to the back. So that's the beginning, that's the end. Here, just take a piece, connect it. You can see it's connecting now. You just come down and do the same all along. And now it's connected everywhere. Wherever you see a little bit of gap, just use this. And I must emphasize, do not use doesn't matter it's hammer like this or a rubber mallet, do not use it here because you're gonna destroy the ridge. Always use a piece, and then like this, or grab a piece of wood so you don't damage it. I have seen so many people doing it. Just use a rubber, and they just hit it like here and damaging the plank. That is absolutely crazy. Maybe the previous. That's it. So once again, recovering every new plank you put it in. First you push in this side because it's free, it goes in, and then go back to the other end and use hammer and gently push it in and just come from this side until you reach that side and keep hammering it in.